Good morning, boys and girls. You just got to see Harold take a purple crayon on a walk. I today chose to take a green crayon out of my box because that's my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Can you choose your favorite color crayon and you can take your crayon for a walk with me? I'm going to start at the bottom of my paper and I'm going to take my crayon on a walk. If you have your crayon in your hand and your paper in the hand, take your crayon to the same bottom corner of the paper that I am. If you don't have your paper and your crayon ready, click pause on the video and go find a paper and a crayon. And once you have them, come back and start the video again. So when I take my line for a walk, I'm going to start by touching down at the bottom of my paper. And I want to imagine my line climbing up a very big mountain. And when it gets to the top of the mountain, it is going to discover that there are stairs to go down on the other side. And stairs make a zigzag line. I'm going to zig and zag my way down the stairs. And when I get to the bottom, I notice there's a river. And on the river, there are rocks. And I need to jump across the rocks. So I'm going to make a line that goes bump, bump, bump across the rocks. And once I bumped across the rocks, I notice there's a big building with a door made out of 3 straight lines. And I want to go inside. So I need to draw a straight line up, a straight line over, and a straight line down. Now I have a door to go inside. And I might want to curve around inside that line. Now that I've gone in the door, I notice that there is another door, and it is a loopy door, the kind that spin around. So I'm going to make some loopy turns to get inside the building the rest of the way. And then I notice that there is a moving sidewalk, and it kind of dashes along. So I'm going to make a line that goes dash, 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 dash. And when I get done dashing along, I notice that on top of that moving sidewalk is an airplane that I can fly whoosh and wave around in the sky. Now I have taken my line for a walk. Now this painting or this picture is very cool already because those lines were changing and shifting all the way. Now that my line has gone for a walk, I want to color in some spaces. So I might choose a spot to color red, and I might choose another spot to color blue. And this is a good time to help your parents out too. Remember in art class, we always said one in, one out. So instead of leaving a mess when we're done with our art, I take my crayon, I put it in my box, and I get another crayon out of my box before I come back to color some more. So each of my little spaces on my walk now have interesting colors. And I just keep going till I have a colorful picture with our walking line. I hope you enjoyed taking your favorite color for a walk. I sure like how my green crayon turned out.